Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need level 20 or higher and at least one fruit to offer. Once done, inventory check. Count duplicates, note fruit rarity and price expectations, and prepare 3 alternative offers to avoid deadlock. You should join a private server if you want controlled trades versus public hubs for faster deals. Make sure to set your display name and portrait so others recognize you. This early setup speeds negotiations and prevents scams when you move to actual trade. You now approach potential partners and open the trade window. Press the trade button or use the chat command to invite. Once the window appears, place your fruit and any extras, then request their item. Explain why your price is fair by referencing recent offers or common rarities. If they counter, respond quickly with a clear alternative. Keep messages short and firm. Make sure to lock in middle items before final accept, so both sides see equal value and feel confident to confirm. You finish by verifying both sides. Read every fruit name and any accessories in the slots, then confirm the trade only when numbers and names match your expectation. Once accepted, the exchange is instant. If something looks wrong, press cancel and do not accept. If you suspect a scam, record the username and report them to admins or block immediately. Finally, test the new fruit in a safe area to ensure it functions as expected and store it securely in your inventory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.